New details on the sexual assault case against this man, Eugene Pratt, the former educator, still sits in the Genesee County Jail 1 week after his arrest. Good evening, everyone. I'm David Custer.
And I'm Meg McLeod. Pratt was charged with 1 count of first-degree criminal sexual conduct after a former student came forward about an alleged incident in 2013. At the time, Pratt worked for Beecher Schools.
A civil suit was filed against Pratt and the school district. The case was settled a year later, but criminal charges were never brought forward. But when an investigation against Pratt was opened in February of this year, Sheriff Swanson reached out to the attorneys in 3 civil cases, and 1 victim agreed to help with the investigation despite a non-disclosure clause in the settlement.
I didn't interpret the non-disclosure clause to prohibit discussions with criminal authorities. And I mean, I think non-disclosure clauses in these kinds of cases are extremely bad for society.
Attorney Glenn Lenhoff told me today that he's not surprised by the criminal charge against Pratt, and he doesn't recall being contacted by investigators in 2014 after the civil case was settled. He says the facts of his client's case are, quote, atrocious, and says he's not surprised by the dozens of potential victims who've already contacted Sheriff Swanson.
I do find it striking, and I feel that it shows how bad the problem was with Pratt. That this man had real problems, and he had these positions.
Positions at several school districts in mid-Michigan. Lenhoff says he can't disclose the details of his client's case yet, but says he hopes his client's bravery to come forward will protect more people from Pratt. Now, Pratt is due back in court Thursday morning for a probable cause hearing.